I made these dream catcher cookies. Look at that. The light shines right through them. That's cool. I'll show you how. And this is a large straw. I got them from the local Wawa. This straw goes in here and pushes out the little holes. Makes it a lot easier to do this. I like it thin because I want the cookie to be a little bit crispy, not too thick. It's easy and it's quick, and you can do it with kids. It's not too complicated. And these little Christmas trees turn out really nice because they've got it's almost like stained glass windows for ornaments. The light can shine through. And it's pretty. I tried Starburst, I tried Lifesavers, I tried Spree, I tried Airhead Nerd Bites, Starburst Minis, all these different candies. None of them compare to Mike and Ike for this project. Mike and Ike are like jelly beans. And what I do is cut it into thirds. But I'm using parchment paper because these candies could melt and then stick to the pan, the ungreased pan, which the instructions on the Pillsbury sugar cookie dough tell you. Sugar cookie dough is easy to make if you want to make it yourself. But I've been doing a lot of holiday baking, and this stuff tastes good. And so that's what I'm going with. And now we wait. I do 5 to 7 minutes at 350. I smell cookies. Christmas cookies. Just the way I like them. Just a tiny bit tan. And the Mike and Ike's melted, just like we hoped. They have to cool, and then they get hard. Right now they're very soft. So before you move them, let them cool.